Hello all and welcome to today's video. My name is John McFall and I want to welcome you to the McFallRI channel where I teach you how to make $25 to $30 an hour doing food delivery, and I also teach you how to make semi-passive income. Today I want to talk to you about how you can sell on Amazon and you can do it with no money. I want to talk to you about what you can do to get a business going, and you can do it with very little money so that you can get your business going and start selling on Amazon to start making an income. Before we get into the topic, I do want to remind you that in my description I have some great tools. The one I want to talk to you about today is TubeBuddy. If you have a YouTube channel or you're starting a YouTube channel and you are looking for some great tools to help you get more likes, some more views, and more subscribers, TubeBuddy is a great tool that can help you get there. I'm going to throw a quick video up so you can check it out for yourself.
Whether you're looking to improve an existing YouTube channel or you're starting out fresh, TubeBuddy can help. This Google Chrome extension is a safe, convenient way to grow your following. SEO tools help you choose keywords to maximize visibility, while analytics give you precise insights into your channel's progress. You can edit thumbnails and descriptions en masse, or post videos to your Facebook without having to leave the site. It can even audit your content to help prevent devastating demonetization. You can try TubeBuddy for free, but some features require a monthly subscription. Click the link below to learn more.
TubeBuddy can be a great tool for you, and I do want to say that if you grab my link and you get a paid version of TubeBuddy, I do get a commission for it. But the great thing about TubeBuddy is you can start for absolutely free, and as your channel grows and you start making money, you can get paid versions so that you can start getting some more and better tools to help you grow your channel more quickly. I've used TubeBuddy since the beginning of this channel, and I've also used it on others. So make sure that if you've got a YouTube channel and you want a great tool to help you grow that channel quicker, go grab TubeBuddy for yourself. And with that, let's get into the topic. So when it comes to selling on Amazon, Amazon is a platform that people sell products. This could be physical products, this could be digital products, this could be books, this could be anything that people sell that's tangible is a thing that could be sold on Amazon. And to get onto Amazon and start selling, if you want to start with no money, you have got to come up with a product that doesn't cost anything. The only way that you can do this is to come up with a digital product or to write a book and start selling that on Amazon. If you are considering selling products on Amazon, the only way that you can do it is to actually have those products, and to have those products typically mean that you have to either make them or buy them. So to sell products on Amazon, it is going to take some investment of money to get that business going. There is no way around it. If you want to do it with no money, then you're going to have to come up with something like a book that you can write and you can throw out onto Amazon absolutely free, and you can start making money from that. Now, if you don't have a lot of money but you want to start selling products on Amazon, there are ways that you can start selling products without having to invest a ton of money. The one thing I want to say about it though is if you do it this way, it is going to probably take you more time, because you're going to have to start with a small amount, and then you're going to have to start selling that small amount, make profit, invest in more so that you can get a bigger amount and sell that so you can make even more profit. And you're going to have to basically wash, rinse, and repeat this process until you build up enough money to where you can actually get an income out of it. So it's going to take you a lot more time if you don't have a lot of money to invest. You can invest in Amazon and sell products and really get into it and make a good business out of it, even if you have, let's say, only $500 to $1,000 to invest. If let's say that you have only, $50 or $100, The best way to approach selling products on Amazon is to do what they call retail arbitrage, which I'm going to link a video that I did on retail arbitrage in this video. But you're going to have to start by going to places like Walmart or Target or Kohl's or TJ Maxx or even Macy's or places like this, where you go into the clearance aisle and you see what they have, and you see what they're selling it for at the clearance price, and checking Amazon to see if you can sell it to make a profit. You've got to remember that it's going to have cost in what you're buying, no matter if it's on clearance or not. There are going to be costs associated with purchasing that product. But you might be able to find a, let's say $14 product, and on clearance it's, let's say $6 or $7, so that there is a, $7 profit that you can make on that product. You're also going to have to include the fees from Amazon for selling on it. You're also going to have to figure in shipping. So there are going to be costs associated with selling a product on Amazon, but you can go into any of these retailers, go to their clearance racks, start going through each of the items on there, see how much they're selling for, see how popular it is, and how much or how many of those items that is selling on Amazon. And if you find one that is going to make you a good profit, and it looks like it's selling well on Amazon, go ahead and grab it and put it out there on Amazon yourself. And as I said, you're going to have to start with a small amount and get what you can, and then when people buy those and you get paid from it, take that profit and dump it back into going back to those places. And then what you will find over time is you're going to be able to make enough profit to buy a larger inventory each time this happens, and you're going to be able to build a business out of it. And you could literally get started in it, I'm going to say literally for 20 bucks. Just make sure that you understand that it's going to take you a lot of time to do this. And if you don't have even $20 to invest in it, I'm going to suggest that the way that you get the money to start doing this is literally find stuff in your house that you currently own, so you can get a little bit of extra money to start doing this. Another way that you can do it is something I talk about on my channel, which is joining these food delivery apps and start making a little bit of extra money with them, and take that money and invest in it. But if you have $0 and you don't have anything to invest in it, find somewhere that you can get, $20 or $50 or $100, so that you can start doing this process. Everybody, even people that are struggling a lot, you can find an extra $20 and you can invest that $20 into something like going to a retail store and finding products on the clearance rack so that you can start selling. If this is your only means and your only way that you can be able to do it, then jump on it so that you can start getting some income coming in, so that you can start building your business, selling products on Amazon, so that you can get the money that you and your family need. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video and learned a lot. I want to remind you, head down into my description and go grab TubeBuddy if you have a YouTube channel or you're starting one. Also would like to ask you to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. Finally, I want to say I hope that you are out there getting the money that you and your family deserve. And with that, I want to say thanks.